In this video, I will show you how to play Titan Revenge on PC. Even though Titan Revenge is an Android game, it's absolutely possible to play this on PC or even Mac using something called the BlueStacks app player. BlueStacks is an Android emulator, so what that allows you to do is play different Android apps and games on your PC or Mac. And to get started with this, what you want to do is click the link in the video description just below this video. Now once you do that, that's going to take you across to a website like this. From here, you can see there's a blue button which says Play Titan Revenge on PC. Give that a click, and what that's going to do is download this onto your PC, so that's going to be the BlueStacks installer. And what you can then do is click this and run through the steps to install BlueStacks on your PC or laptop. Now once that's done, all you need to do, you're going to get a window like this, click onto launch, and that's going to open up the BlueStacks emulator. So it's just going to take a minute or two to run through, and because you've clicked the link, it's going to take you directly to the installation page for Titan Revenge. From here, just simply click the install from Google Play button, and once you've done that, you'll be taken to a page like this. So from here, you're going to see a blue install button. Give that a click, and that's going to start to download and install Titan Revenge, so you can start playing that on your PC or Mac using BlueStacks. So it's just going to take a minute to download. It's quite a small game, so it shouldn't take too long depending on your internet connection. But once that has finished downloading and installing, it's automatically going to open. So what I'm going to do is just agree to the agreement and terms and things like that. And I just want to show you guys how this plays on BlueStacks, just so you can get an idea of how well BlueStacks runs Android games. So it's going to ask you to sign in with your Google account first of all, which is great because, of course, if you come off your PC and you play on phone, you're not going to lose any of your saved progress. So here we are on the main title screen, and you can see already just how smooth and sharp the gameplay is. So what I'm going to do is click to enter the game. It's just going to take a minute to find a server and get me logged in, and you can see straight off the bat that the opening animations are working really well. Now with all the Android games, your keyboard and mouse are already mapped in good to go, and if you come to the right and click this orange keyboard icon, you can display the on-screen game controls so you know how to play and control the game. There's also gamepad support for a lot of games as well, but as you can see, I'm currently using my mouse and keyboard to play this on PC. So what I'm going to do is just jump into the game as mentioned. I'm going to click start game, and here we are as you can see in game. So you can see even the gameplay itself is running really well. It's very smooth, there's no sort of lag or anything, and the picture is really clear and sharp as well. You can see I've got my on-screen keyboard displayed, so we can see what all the different keys on our keyboard do down here. So that is how to play Titan Revenge on PC. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more gaming tutorials and simple tech tips. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.